What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another tutorial. Now, recently we've been talking about a huge trend that is blowing up right now, specifically this year, where you can make money online and you don't need your own products or anything like that. Now, this is still a brand new trend and you can get in on this, but you need to know how to actually do it. Now, we did talk about this in a previous video, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do this for free because people had a lot of questions on how they could make money with this. So we're going to go through all of that in this video, and we can use AI to actually speed up this process as well. I'm going to take you through this step by step, showing you every single thing that you need to know for this method. So stay tuned. And this is brand new, guys. So remember, and it's a big trend. So remember, you are going to want to jump onto this now to start making some money. Now, I've been earning income online full time for well over probably about 12 years now. So I do know the methods that are actually working right now. So let's jump into this. Smash that like button, subscribe for my next video, and I'll show you how this big trend is working and how you can make money with this for free right now. All right, guys, now a few weeks ago we released a video showing you how this particular website is making money by selling products that they don't even actually own. And I got tons of questions on how people can actually go ahead and do all of this for free instead of paying to set up a store and everything like that. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly how you can do this for free. The first thing we want to do is we want to go to ChatGPT and we want to put in some topics. So if you don't know what this method is about, what we're doing is we are promoting products that we don't actually own. Books, for example. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into here and I'm going to ask ChatGPT a particular prompt, potentially make money with this method. So we have digital marketing excellence, we have healthy eating habits. So it's actually gone and taken books from PLR websites, and we'll talk about what a PLR website is in a second, but it gives us a pretty good idea of what's popular. So we've got healthy eating habits, that's in the health niche, personal finance mastery, so that's in the finance niche. We have stress management, we have fitness and weight loss secrets, self-improvement, home business setup guide. So in this list, it's mainly about self-improvement and making money and a little bit of finance and a little bit of health. So you can use ChatGPT to give you these ideas. And if you don't know what PLR is, it's private label rights. So we can actually resell these products. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make money with this for free. So the first step is we need to go to a website called payhip.com. So go to that website now and get it ready because we are going to be using this in a minute. The next step is we need to go into Google and put in PLR products. And there's going to be a whole list of websites that we can go ahead and use for this method. I have one right here, and this website is called Buy Quality PLR. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and buy a book on a specific topic. In this case, we're going to actually go with mastering ChatGPT prompts because I already actually have this. Now, you might be asking, oh, but I've got to spend money. You will have to spend a little bit of money to get the product up front, but you will make that money back later on. So essentially, it is going to be free. The free method of this tutorial is how you actually sell the product because we don't have to go and set up a store. So what I've done is I've added this one. Well, I've actually already purchased this. I'm going to pay $15 and I'm going to get the rights to resell this product to anybody and make money from this product. And as you can see here, I've already set up a page right here that's ready to go where I can actually make money from this. So what we're going to do is you can go through this website and there's tons of different types of products that you can go ahead and use. So we have brandable coaching courses where you can get a brandable course on keto diet secrets, home income secrets. You can get how to find happiness after healing from childhood trauma. You can get traffic like a pro. There's all of these types of products that you can go ahead and get to promote, and you can make a full store. So let me show you step by step how to get started with this. We have our product. Our product in this case is going to be this ChatGPT one. That's the topic for this tutorial. I'm going to go over to PayHip and I'm going to go get started for free. PayHip takes a commission, so it's free. You don't have to spend any money to actually use this service. I'm going to put in my details and then start an account. So put in your name, last name, email, and go create account. And it's going to create an account for you very easily and very quickly. And then we're going to name the store. I'm just going to name it Frank Hatchet for this tutorial. but you would name it whatever you like. And we're going to go to continue. And Frank Hatchett, start selling. Now I'm going to show you how to set up your product super easy. We're going to go add a product, and we're going to go add product. And then what we're going to do is we're going to be selling a digital product, and we're going to add the product file. So you want to add a zip file with everything in it. So if we go here, it's got everything in here that I need, and it's basically a bunch of ChatGPT prompts that we're going to be selling. And I have the zip file ready to go, so I'm going to upload the zip file. The zip file is uploading, and then we're going to have a title for the product. I'm just going to go back to here, and I'm going to call it Mastering Chat. I'll call it ChatGPT Prompt Engineering. We're going to copy that. We're going to go back to here, and we're going to paste it into here. And then you can set the price. Now, these guys will take a little bit of a commission, but you can sell it for $5, $10, $20, whatever you like. And then we need to upload a photo of the product. We can simply go to here, right-click, Save Image As, and then you can upload. Now we need a description. We can go back to here, and we can copy this description right here. Copy. And we're going to add that in. And as you can see, go add product. And now we've added a product that we can go ahead and sell and make money with it. So if we go, remember to keep this link and then go show me my product page. Now, what you will need to do is set up your PayPal and Stripe account. You see on this account that I had, it says buy now because I have it already set up on my other account. All you need to do to get that set up is go to your settings. We'll do that in a second. But look at this. This is all ready to go, and you can sell this particular product. What you can do is you can actually edit your own shop as well. So you can have a shop with multiple products. So all you would do is you would go to store up in here, and then we can launch our store builder, and you can make out a store with multiple products. That's the best part about this. You can sell multiple products, multiple courses from these PLR websites. You can buy and resell any of these products. And now, as you can see, I can go and edit my store and do whatever I like. So you could edit all of this. Now, this isn't a tutorial on how to edit, but that's what you can do. Next, you want to go to account, and you want to go to settings, and you want to set up at least a PayPal. So if you set up a PayPal on payment details, people will be able to pay with credit card and PayPal as well. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can you go ahead and make money with this? How can you promote this to make money? What I would recommend we do is we go back to the dashboard here, and we go to products, and then we go to view. So we have a product here that we can promote that's based on ChatGPT prompt engineering. So it's based on ChatGPT or AI. What I would recommend you do is go over to something like Fiverr, and yes, you will have to pay a little bit of money for this, but remember, the free part is having the checkout that we don't have to pay for. Now, what I've done is I actually made an order with these people, and they gave me these videos right here, these shorts. So you can go to Fiverr and you can find people who will make shorts for you for a very cheap price. So you can get 50 videos for $5 based on a specific niche. You could ask them if they will do shorts for you based on ChatGPT. And what we can do is we can then go to TikTok and we can do our own ChatGPT tutorials. And then what we can do is we can actually link our product here, our ChatGPT prompt engineering. We could link it into the description here, or even our store with multiple ChatGPT tutorials, books, or courses. Now, if we go down here, there's all types of, so actually let's have a look at this one. Become a ChatGPT. So you'll see that they haven't even showed their face or anything like that. And they have ChatGPT tutorials or a ChatGPT tutorial. And then they have a link here going to a specific page where they actually sell ChatGPT prompts. So this is exactly what you're going to be doing, but you're going to be selling a product that you've actually already purchased. And as you can see, it's all set up here. They're selling it for $27, ready to go. So that they're doing exactly what we want to do. They're doing ChatGPT tutorials, and they are selling a ChatGPT prompt book or course for $27. Another way that you can do this is you could use YouTube, and you could do ChatGPT tutorials on YouTube, and then you can link your books, and first of all, in your channel if you want, like this guy, or second of all, you can link it in the description right here like this guy has done here. The trick is we need to get traffic from ChatGPT content to the links. We can also do general ChatGPT content and tutorials like all of these guys are doing here on YouTube. But the point is we can go and first of all find a product that we're going to purchase for $15 for example. We can then resell that product using PayHip. We don't have to pay for the actual checkout, but we can create a nice simple page like this. And then we could potentially make money by promoting it on places like TikTok when we do ChatGPT tutorials and places like YouTube as well. I want to give you guys a full tutorial of this because you did have a lot of questions regarding this. Now you've just seen how easy this is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you then.